The subject matter of this video is how to log out Threads account. So, let's have a look. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. I'll show you the simplest way to log out the Threads account. You just have to open your Threads account. And then open your profile from the bottom right corner of the screen, where you can see many options like edit and share profiles, etc. What you have to do is simply press the two bars, setting option, in the upper right corner. Different options will appear, like follow and invite friends, notifications, privacy, accessibility, etc. And the last one is logout. Simply press it, and a pop-up confirmation notification will appear. Press logout if you want to. However, you can also cancel it with the cancel option. Your account has been successfully logged out. That was the quickest way to log out your Threads account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.